Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your InDesign file and making sure rulers and smart guides are on. This keeps alignment exact. Next, create or select a dedicated layer for annotation so arrows don't interfere with artwork. Use the pen tool for custom paths or the line tool for straight segments. You choose depending on whether you need curves. Once you have a path, keep it selected before you add stroke settings because the next steps apply to the current shape. Now that your path is selected, open the stroke panel to set a visible weight and choose rounded or butt caps for a clean look. Then expand the arrowhead's menu inside stroke, pick a start or end style, and note the scale percentage controls size. You can reverse direction if needed and tweak the gap to prevent overlap with shapes. Make sure to apply stroke color and any dashed patterns after arrowheads so spacing and appearance remain accurate. Finish by aligning the arrow with nearby content, group it with its label, and lock the layer to prevent accidental edits. If you'll export to EPS or SVG, convert the stroke to outlines so arrowheads render consistently across apps. Once done, test print or export to PDF and inspect arrow scale and alignment. If arrowheads disappear or look wrong, make sure stroke scale isn't 0 and that overprint preview or GPU performance isn't hiding display. Change preferences and reapply arrowhead settings if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.